And so that's probably the simplest way. We do our own newsletters and then we post them to the patch.
The real key thing for us here is we have to sell a minimum of 250 units in the month of September on our Kickstarter. If we can do that, then we're in business and we'll continue to develop this software. There's so many more features we can add to this thing, into the simulation, and add a lot more. We want to add a lot more CAM ability.
Right.
And user-friendly CAM. It's not just programming through JavaScript.